I keep a side of me under wraps.
Okay, so welcome back to my channel. This is the front camera view. So I look like I got a tan. So I'm just gonna put on my my 6x6 closure wig that I got from, I don't want to say the wrong name, so that I got from AliExpress. I'll put it on the screen. So what I already did was I bleached the knots. I attempted to bleach the knots. I straightened it and I parted, but I still got parted, so I'm probably gonna have to part it again. So what I mean by, and I plucked it. What I mean by, like, I attempted to bleach the knots. These knots did not bleach. I don't know if it's just because it's like so much hair. I don't know what happened, dude, but these knots did not take. Like, literally, the hair bleached before the knots had bleached, because I guess it seeped through. So let me show you all. I attempted to this also, like I told you all previously, I put a little sticky thing in there. This is actually boob tape. This is what I use. I just cut a little slip and yeah, I put it in there so it makes it look natural, as you can see. And I plucked the hairline. The hairline was like super duper straight. Hold on. The hairline was like super duper straight. I tried to break it. I'm probably gonna have to plug it again because you know how it is. So you're just gonna watch me install this 6x6, and I'm gonna I might try to style it today. I might not, because I'm just gonna work. So okay, I got like a good 30 minutes, but it's a 6x6. It should literally take me like 3 minutes to put this on. Styling it, that's another story. I had to straighten up the little piece in here because it got crooked. Oh wait, it's still crooked. I'm about to watch my show, so I'm probably gonna put a little audio over this. Okay, I got a call, guys. Oh, I hope to stay down. I'm about to go to work and sometimes I sweat, so hopefully to stay down. So I I put a little bump at the end, but I didn't seal it. So honestly, I'm just wearing this hair straight. I'm pretty sure these bumps fail. Oh no, they're still in there. That's cute. Okay. But yeah, my whole plan for this week was to put layers in it, you know, do a 90s little thing. I'm just not about to do it for work because I don't care about work. I just wanted to put the wig on because I'm getting tired of wearing frontals. So with that being said, what's going on here? Surprisingly enough, I was able to let's see if I can. Oh, why does part look like that? I got some spray, but I think I might spray it. I think I'm spraying BRB. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna just put it in the part. I feel like I should cover up my lace too. But I honestly feel like this is low-key glueless. Like, not glueless, but like if this was to lift up, it'll just look like lace. But not bad, like not super bad. It'll just look like I'm a newbie to laying lace. I still feel like I'm a newbie, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. So I'm just gonna do this. I'm not really good at this part. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. But hey, you gotta do something. See, look at me. I don't even know what to, okay. Because I can't. Alrighty. Oh, it fixed. Oh, did it? No, it didn't. It fixed now. Yeah. Crispy. And then yeah. Ooh, so crispy. I never had a skinny part like this. I will say I did. Oh, it's not. No way. No. Is it crooked? Is it like not in the center of my head? Man, it's gonna be in the center of my head today. I'm keeping this part. But yeah, that's all I did. So overall, I like the wig. I don't think I like the hair because it's literally shedding on me. I don't know if this is like from, honestly, I don't know what this is from. So, and then the thing with, I gotta cut this off, but I had to do spot treatment for, not spot treatment, but like, you know, I can't get this while it's on my head. I should have did that when it was off of my head. Overall, I like it. It's true to size. Honestly, I feel like it's bigger. Like, yeah, I feel like it's bigger. I plucked this baddie, okay? I just need to hide that baddie. This side is my favorite side, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I did my thing with this one. And you know, guys, when you are flat ironing your wig, that burned me. First off, don't grab the hair when it's just got done being flat ironed. I mean, you know, hot comb, flat iron, all of the above. Alright, but yeah, I have a little widow's peak, so, and usually for some reason on my 6x6 closures, my this middle part always be thinning. So I did not pluck this part. Alrighty, so I cut a little more lace, and I bought this brush from like Boohoo. I literally do not know what it's used for. So I usually use it for my powder application for my wigs. What I'm using, cause you know you gotta go darker, slightly darker, and I got a tan too. What I'm using this, but I'm using the contour. What? I don't know what that is. I'm just patting it. I ain't even, well, I dusted it off that time because I picked up a lot, I'm sure. But I don't be dusting it off because all I do is like a pat. All I do is a pat, and I just put it in there. And yeah, my little, I suck at these curls. I'm gonna do another tutorial on me really trying to make these curls pop. Dang, I probably should have put some yeah, there we go. Bam, bam, bam. I should have. It don't look as cute, obviously, without the layers, but it's still cute. And yeah, so this looks cute, you know, natural hairline. All of this literally looks like my real hair because it's like up there with my real hair. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Until next time.